much. Today, we're gonna go watch some drifting. It's Hallowbash. It's one of the best events this summer, besides all the other ones. So I've got Corinne behind me. She's in her car because she's got to leave early. And what we're gonna do is meet up with a few other YouTubers. There's Piston Head Productions. We're gonna meet up with them and film some of them, and possibly film a bunch of other stuff. I've got all my camera gear. I've got all my stuff right here. I've got my helmet over there, and we're gonna go have some fun today. It's crappy. It's wet out. So let's go watch some drifting and enjoy Thanksgiving weekend. Oh yeah, happy Thanksgiving everyone. Hope you guys are having a good one. I'm gonna be spending the weekend at the track. So we're out here at Hallowbash, guys. We finally made it. A couple minutes. It wasn't a long drive, so Corinne's sitting in the car right there, putting her windows down, but let's go find some people and see where the hell everyone is. So that ugly duckling sitting in his car. Hi! What are you doing? Is it a little wet?
Yeah, I was cleaning my windshield, or my back window.
Is he busy? Yeah. So some of you guys know Piston Head Productions. There's a drift chicken. I'm gonna go bug him. We'll right back, Jay. The drift chicken, Jacob. Hi! Hey! Holy shit! I think he's seen better days.
That's good.
A little more, keep going. Keep doing that. Keep doing back and forth. Yep.
stuck again.
Yeah.
So, tell me that again. You weren't expecting Jacob to do dumb shit. Is that what you just said? Not with the fire.
So that's it with day one, guys. Now tomorrow, what we're gonna do is film some more. You guys saw my friend Jacob from Piston Head Productions. Now tomorrow I'm gonna film everything just because it's supposed to be a lot better than today was. So I'm gonna go home tonight, rest up, get ready for tomorrow, and then I'll be back out in the morning. So I'm gonna end this part, day one, and then you're gonna see day two starting in a second. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. What's going on, guys? Now today is day two of Top Drift Boonies Bash. So I've got the whole family. We only took one car right now, and we're gonna go watch the rest of the drifting, see what it's like.
Just think about it right now. Everything's okay. No matter where you find yourself, no matter what kind of stuff is going on in your life, underneath it all, everything's actually all right. You're okay. You have more power than you might be giving yourself credit for. And if you have something that's going on in your life right now that's challenging, painful, it's just a reminder to take a little bit better care of yourself. Because you're worth it. You can have this feeling anytime.